let's go to page 92 and start with number 2. So first you need to write the equation of the family of the circles. So you have a x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. And then you have second equation, you have x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So you need to write the equation for family of the circle. Again, a lot of time people are making really complicated. Okay, the equation of family of a circle, you just go ahead and write the k equation. So your answer would be x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 4. So that's your first equation plus k times the second equation. Equal to 0. And that's your answer. That's your equation for family of the circles. So the first equation plus k times second equation. And then you're done. Okay? So that's your answer for the first part. So don't do anything else. That's your answer already. Okay? And then after that, you looking for the particular one. So again, this is an infinite number of circles. But you're looking for the one that k equal to 2. So for k equal to 2, you just substitute. And so you can just work it out. So you're going to get x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 4. And you're going to distribute, so plus 2. Okay, so k equal to 2, so you're going to distribute. So you can do that. So you're going to get 2x squared. Again, use your fingers so you don't so you don't make careless mistakes. So multiply, you get plus 2y squared plus 12x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, you go and combine the like terms. So again, when you do that, go and write it down so you can keep track. So this one and this one will give you 3x squared. Okay. And then this one and this one. You can use your fingers so it can help you to keep track. So it would be plus 3y squared. And the next one, so this would be plus 14x. And this one will give you plus 8y. And the last two will give you plus 8 equal to 0. And then next, what you need to do is you want to check, see if you can simplify your answer. And so this is it. Okay. So this is number 2. So let's go and do number 4. Now number 4. Again, first you need to find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection. Okay. So again, you have the two equations. So you got x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And you have the second equation, you got x squared plus y squared plus 4x equal to 0. So you got two circles, okay? And you're looking for the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection. So you're looking for this line right over here. That's what you're looking for, right over here. Okay? Now, the equation for this line is when k equal to -1. Okay? So again, when k equal to -1, you don't get circles. You get a line going through those 2 points. So to write the equation, you just go and use this times -1, this plus -1 times that. So your equation would be x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 plus -1 times, let's do this. Okay, you got x squared plus y squared plus 4x equal to 0. Okay, so again, the equation for the line, this is called a radical axis, right? And then, so that's -1. So now again, you work it out. So you get x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 4. And again, use your fingers to distribute. So it'd be minus x squared minus y squared minus 4x equal to 0. Now collect your like term. So x squared minus x squared cancel out. y squared minus y squared cancel out, and let's see. Let me double check the. Okay, then you have this one, and this one will give you minus ax, and that's it. So you got plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now to simplify your equation, you can divide everything by -2, because you don't want to start with a negative in front, right? So divide everything by -2. So you got 4x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, and that's it. So again, the equations are kind of long, so it's very easy to make careless mistakes. So you got to watch how you copy things and be careful to avoid careless mistakes. Okay, let's go to number 6. Okay, so you have two equations, x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is equation 1. And then you have x squared plus y squared plus 12x plus 14y plus 60 equal to 0. So this is equation 2. Okay, so first you have to draw the graph. So to draw the graph, you need to complete the square, and so you can find out the center and the radius. So let's go and do that. So go and plus 3 on both sides and collect your terms. So you got x squared plus 4x, and you have the y squared plus 6y equal to 3. And you go and complete a square. Get your template ready. So from here you're going to get x plus 2. Right? From this you get that, and take half of that, you get that. And from here you're going to get plus 4. So you need to plus 4. From here you're going to get y. From this you're going to get plus 3. And from here you're going to get plus 9. And so you're going to get plus 9. And so you get 16. So from here you can see the center is at -2, -3, and radius is equal to 4. Okay. Then you need to do the same thing with this one. Okay. Okay. Let's go and graph this one first then. So center is -2, -3, and radius is 4. Okay, I'll get those few points, and I'm gonna find a nice circle that fits that. Don't really have a good circle. This is the closest one, so okay, I'm gonna use this one. A little bit small, but that's good enough. Okay, for this one, do the same thing, minus 60 on both sides, and collect your terms. So you're gonna get x squared plus 12x, and you got y squared plus 14y equal to -60. So get your perfect square. Okay, so this one you're going to get x plus 6, so it'd be plus 36, plus 36. This one you're going to get y plus 7, so it'd be plus 49, plus 49. And so you can get your calculator, so you get 25. And so you're going to get center, it's going to be a -6, -7, and radius equal to 5. Okay, so let's go and graph this one. -6, -7. So here's your center, and the radius is 5. Okay, and find a circle that match. This one is a little bit big, just slightly, but fits pretty good. Okay, so again, go back, make sure you answer the question. It says draw the graph of the equation, so I did that. Okay, so this is the circle 1, this is the circle 2. Next, find the equation of the radical axis and draw the axes. Okay, so you need to look for this axis. Again, radical axis is when k equal to -1. Okay, so first you need to go and write the k equation. So the equation would be x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 3 plus -1 times this one here, right? Again, so you're going to write the k equation. So equation 1 plus -1 times equation 2. Okay, so that's going to multiply out. So you got x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 3. You can use your fingers to distribute to avoid careless mistakes. Okay, and then go and combine terms. So those cancel out. This and this cancel out. And this one and this one will give me -8x. And the y's, this one will give me -8y. And this one will give me -63 equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, again, you want to avoid the negative in the beginning, so multiply it by -1. So you got 8x plus 8y plus 63 equal to 0. And there will be equation for this line over here, equation of your radical axis. Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, number 8. So it's just like number 6. It's the same thing. So first, let's go and do the circle. So you got x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So that's your equation 1. Then your second equation is x squared plus y squared plus 12x plus 8y plus 36 equal to 0. That's your equation 2. Okay, so to draw the circles, you need to complete a square. So that's plus 4 on each side. And collect your terms. So you're going to get x squared plus 2x. And you're going to have the y squared minus 5y equal to 4. Okay, then get your perfect square. Get the template ready. So you're going to get x plus 1. Right? And you're going to get plus 1, right? Again, from this you get that, this you get that, and you get that. So this one you're going to get y, and this one you're going to get minus 5 over 2, and therefore this will be plus 25 over 4. So plus 25 over 4. Then what you need to do is go and use your calculator. You can add this together. And you're going to end up with 45 over 4. So your center is going to be a -1, 5 over 2, and radius is going to be square root of that. But you just want to get a number so you have to take the square root of that. So 45 over 4, you take the square root of that. It's about 3.4, 3.35, okay, approximately. So again, you just want to get a rough idea so you can draw your circles. Okay, so do the same thing over here. So minus 36, and collect your terms. So you got x squared plus 12x, and you got y squared plus 8y equal to -36, and get your perfect square. So from this you get x, from this you get plus 6, and from this you get plus 36. For this one you're going to get y, and from here you get plus 4, so you need to plus 16. So you end up with a 16. So your center is going to be a negative 6, negative 4, and your radius will equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so again, let's go and sketch these things out. So negative 1, positive 5 over positive 5 over 2. So this will be right over here. And radius is about 3.3. About over here. Okay, so get a circle that will fit. This one looks okay. Okay. And for this one, center is a negative 6, negative 4. So this is the one. Okay, so and the radius is 4. Okay, so it'll be over here, over here. Okay, find a circle that fits. Yeah, this one is a little bit small, but fits pretty good. Okay, so that's number 2. Okay, so your radical axes will be perpendicular to this. So, and it's be halfway between this distance over here. Okay. Okay, so that's your radical axes. Again, radical axes, you just multiply the equation. So it be equation 1 plus negative 1 times equation 2. Basically, you just subtract this minus that. Okay. So you can even just do it in your head. You know, just use this minus that. So this will cancel out. This will cancel out. This minus that will give you minus 10x. Right? This minus that. So you can use your fingers. So you can do this in your head. So this minus that will give you minus 13y. Okay, and so you have to watch now. This is your original number. So don't get distracted by that. So this minus that will give you minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, then after that, you need to go and multiply everything by negative 1. So you get 10x plus 13y plus 40 is equal to 0. And so that is equation for your radical axis. Okay. So again, radical axis is when k equal to negative 1. So when you have this plus negative 1 times, that means you have this subtract that. So you can just go and minus, 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 and then you get that. Okay, okay, let's go to number 10. Okay, so you got two equations, x squared plus y squared plus 16x plus 10y plus 24 equal to 0. And then you have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is write the equation of the family of circles. Okay, so again, equation of family of circles. Okay, so that's a symbol for circles. Again, it's very simple. Okay, it's just equation 1. Okay, so that is 1 plus k times 2 equal to 0. Again, that's the equation for a family of circle. Okay, so don't complicate things. You don't have to solve anything. You just write the equation. So So your answer would be x squared plus y squared plus 16x plus 10y plus 24 plus k times x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 6 equal to 0. So again, here's your answer for that part 1. Okay, again, that's how you write the equation of family of circles. Again, you just equation 1 plus k times equation 2, and then you're done. Okay, so you don't want to solve anything, you don't want to simplify anything, then that's it. Okay, now you go to part 2. Okay, so again, this is for infinite number of circles. Now the one you're looking for is you're looking for the one that passes through the origin. Okay, so you're looking for equation that passes through the origin. So first thing you have to do is looking for k. Okay, so you need to figure out what k would be, okay, for this condition. Okay, so again, that's your x and the y. So all you do is substitute everything here. Okay, so again, you're looking for k. So to look for k, you have to substitute whatever the condition into the equation to look for k. Once you find the k, and that would be your equation. Okay, so that's going to do that. So you substitute 0, so you're going to get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 24 plus k times 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, you simplify, so you got 24 minus 6k equal to 0. Okay, to solve, you minus 24 minus 24. So you got negative 6k equal to negative 24, divided by negative 6, divided by negative 6. So you got k equal to 4. Okay? So once you find k equal to 4, you put it back in here. Okay? So right now your equation that you need, okay, the equation that will go through this point is when k equal to 4. So substitute into here. So you're going to get x squared plus y squared plus 16x plus 10y plus 24 plus 4 times x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay? Now all you have to do is simplify, and that would be your equation. So let's work it out. So now again, use your fingers to distribute. So you got 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 16x minus 32y minus 24 equal to 0. Collect your terms. Okay, so this will give me 5x squared. This one and this one will give me 5y squared. Okay, and this one will give me plus 32x. This one and this one will give me minus 22y. And this will give me and cancel out. And cannot simplify, so that's it. Okay, so this will be your circle number 3. Okay. Okay, the next part, it says contract the 3 circles. So you can go and, I'm not going to do it because it takes too much time. So you can just go ahead and complete a square for that, and you draw the circle. Complete a square for that, and get the center and radius. Construct the circle. Again, complete a square, get your center, get your radius, and draw the circle. Okay. So you can do that on your own time.